In this video, I'll show you how you'll talk and then it will come out of your speaker like this. Let me show people how to do it. It will work on Android and iOS as well. On your Android, open your Play Store, After you open Play Store, you now type in your search, live microphone like this. So after typing in live microphone, you click on search. Then this second result right here is the one that you're going to install. You click on it and then you install. So if this video is helpful to you, ensure you like it and also share it with others so they find it helpful as well, and then subscribe to my channel for getting videos like this as well. So yeah, okay, after installing, you click on open. After opening it, it's going to load some adverts, so you just have to wait for like 5 seconds. So after that, you tap on close. Then I'll also show you guys how to block this as well. So you tap on real-time mic right here, then you click on allow. If it's allow and don't allow, just click allow, and then as you can see, the Bluetooth is off. So you go and turn on your Bluetooth, then you connect to your Bluetooth speaker. This is my Bluetooth speaker right here, LPV6, so it's supposed to connect automatically. So it has connected right now. So after connecting, as you can see from the top, there is echo noise cancellation in order to reduce echo, which is the repetition that comes after you make mention of any word, like so this is high quality to increase the quality of the audio output from the speaker. So I'm going to turn all this on and then increase this volume. So I'm now using the maximum volume of my speaker. So you tap mic to start, so you talk and it's going to output from your Bluetooth speaker. This is pretty much how you do it on Android device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it on iOS device. So on your App Store, you open and then you type in live microphone like this. So after typing in live microphone, you tap on enter. Then this first result right here with this icon, you click on it to open. Then after that, you install it and then hit open to open it. So after opening it, what you do right here, as you can see, there's this power button right here, which is where you turn it on or not. It's also going to ask you for access to audio. You allow. Then you tap on settings and make sure that you're connected to your speaker right here. As you can see, if you are not, you go to your Bluetooth devices and connect your speaker. So afterwards, this is the volume bar if you want to increase volume, and tap on mic, then tap on this power button right here to turn it on. So after tapping on it, you can as well talk from your iPad or iPhone, and your speaker will be outputting whatever it is that you speak into the mic of your phone. So if this video is helpful, ensure you like it and comment and also share it with others who might find it helpful, and subscribe to my channel so you get videos like this. I love you so much.